I close my eyes, the touch of your fingers. Through monochrome, the memory lingers. Into your hands, I'm resting the pain inside me. I clear my mind of this unforgiveness, all of my scars and all its traces. You and me, I see a dream of blind destiny. And it's into your arms I'm melting, and it's the first time I've ever felt like this. You are the hand that's dealt me, the tempter sealing my fate with a kiss. And in a flash, the stars align. I search beyond the words, wanting a sign. But lost inside your eyes, lies become clearer to see. They tell a different story. So take the reins and don't let go. I want this pain to scar deep, for I know all our past precedes healing, with memories concealing.